Hello everyone, this is your English teacher from Welkin National School. Today we are going to learn subject English from standard 2nd. See the lesson number 4.5 language study. Topic is your position words. Look at the pictures, read aloud and enact. Your first picture is, oh, I need my English book to complete my project. Where is it? See the now second one. On the table, no. Near the TV, no. Behind the bag, no. Under the chair, no. In my purse, yes. So here, on, near, behind, under, in, these all are position words. Words that show the positions are position words. Now see the 4.6. My telescope. This is a poem. First I will read the poem. I bought myself a telescope to look into the sky to see the solar system and the comets whizzing by. I searched the sky for planets, for satellites and stars. Now I have got a telescope. They don't seem very far. It brought them very close to me. It's made the stars my friends. Except of course when I make a mistake and look through the wrong end. By Tony Bradman. My telescope. Explanation of the poem is, the poet Tony Bradman says that he bought a telescope to look into the sky. He wanted to see the solar system and the comets and were moving swiftly here and there. उसने क्या लाया है? टेलीस्कोप, क्योंकि उसको स्काई के वहाँ पे देखना है, स्काई पे देखना है. ही वॉन्टेड टू सी द सोलर सिस्टम. उसको क्या देखना है? स्काई के ऊपर सोलर सिस्टम. ही वॉन्टेड टू सर्च द स्काई फॉर प्लैनेट्स, सैटेलाइट्स एंड स्टार्स. ही फेल्ट दैट व्हेन ही सॉ them all through his telescope, they did not seem to be very far. The telescope had brought them very close to him. He had made the stars his friends. Except of course when he made a mistake and looked through the wrong end of the telescope. टेलीस्कोप से क्या करना चाहते हैं वो? स्काई के ऊपर देख के सोलर सिस्टम देखना चाहता है, वहाँ के जो प्लैनेट्स, सैटेलाइट्स और स्टार्स को अपना फ्रेंड्स बनाना चाहता है. So telescope means an instrument for viewing distant object. Solar system, the sun and other heavenly bodies around it. Comet means a heavenly body made of ice and dust. Whizzing means moving swiftly with a noise. Learn this poem. Now here one more lesson is there. 4.7. Let's speak. This is an activity. Look, listen and answer. Here one picture is there. This one is a garden. In garden, your tree, monkeys, slide, bushes, ice cream vendor, seesaw, jungle gym, swing, bench. Now here below here some questions are there regarding this picture. Do you go to a park? So yes. What do you play with? क्या खेलते हो आप वहाँ पे? Do you buy an ice cream? Yes. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes. Do you like to walk on the lawn? Yes. Do you like to play on the seesaw? Yes. This lesson is an activity based lesson. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.